Alright guys, this is the first time for you to see this video, but believe it or not, this is the second time for me to record it. The first time I recorded it sideways. Alright, so this is your first foldable of the year. We are making this foldable for our Mathematical Processes Handbook, and this is basically problem solving, which is the core foundation for your mathematical experience. Start off with a blank piece of paper. If you don't have a blank piece of paper, pause it, grab one. Alright, ready to go. We have a blank piece of paper. First step, we're going to fold it in half. We fold in half, and a lot of you go, hamburger or hot dog? Well, I tell you that it's going to be the short line of symmetry, the short fold. Alright, hamburger, some of you might know it as. Once you fold in half, short fold, unfold it. We need what's called a shutter fold. A shutter fold is when you're going to take the right side of the paper and fold to the center. And you're going to take the left side of the paper and fold to the center, thus creating what is called a shutter fold. A shutter fold is when you have a left and a right flap that opens like the shutters of a window. Alright, making sure it's still recording. Okay, now I have a shutter fold. Now the key is we have 2 flaps, but we actually need 8 total. 4 on the left, 4 on the right. To do that, we're going to make another shutter fold, but this time it's going to be a rotation of 90 degrees, the other way. So we're going to start by folding it in half again, short fold. Alright, I unfold it, and now I have 4 flaps, but we need 8. So we're going to take the bottom, fold to the middle, dividing the bottom into 4. Now we're going to take the top and fold down to the middle, dividing the top into 4 also. Therefore, we have a total of 8. Alright, I'm going to snap my fingers and dotted lines appear. Alright, I can pause in the recording of my video, guys. We need to cut these into 8 flaps. That would be 6 cuts. Notice there are 6 dotted lines. They're split in the middle. Okay, now instead of cutting 6 times, we can cut our cutting in half. That sounds a little weird, but it's pretty simple. What we're going to do is, no need to draw these dotted lines, by the way, guys. This is just demonstration. You're going to know where to cut. You're going to take your piece of paper. When you unfold it, it's blank, but on the other side are those 6 dotted lines. If we fold our paper in half, 3 are on this side, and on the exact same side, the other side, there's 3 more. So technically, when I fold it in half, I just got to cut here, here, and here 3 times, cut my cutting in half. Because how many of you guys like those itty-bitty scissors I put on the table for you? Not very many. Alright, so I'm going to cut this here, I cut here, and I'm going to cut here, and then I only cut 3 times, I open it up and fold it, and now our 2 flaps have become 8 flaps entirely. Alright, not quite done yet. We actually don't need this top left flap here. So what we're going to do, no need to draw the dotted line. The dotted line is just my communication to you on what to do. Alright, so I got that dotted line there, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take it and cut it off. That top left flap, we don't need the flap, and we are now done creating the foldable, and we're ready to talk about those processes. Alright guys.